Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Here's another video in the Functions in Python series. If you haven't watched the previous parts yet, feel free to do so. Here they are. Introduction to functions, functions with parameters, the return statement, mandatory parameters, optional parameters, mutable optional parameters, keyword arguments, arbitrary number of positional parameters, arbitrary number of positional parameters, arbitrary number of both positional and keyword parameters, nested functions, calling functions in other functions, assigning functions to variables, and functions as parameters. Today we'll be talking about functions returning functions. Functions are first-class objects, which means they are objects like any other objects, which further means they can be used just like other objects. You already know that. And so again, in plain English, this means that we can assign functions to variables and pass them as arguments to other functions. Functions can also be returned from other functions. If you want to learn more about functions as first-class objects, I have a video about it. And now let's talk about functions returning functions. Functions return objects, so they can return functions, which are objects too. Here's a simple example. Here, first we defined a function called repeat, and inside this function, we defined another function. It's a nested function, defined inside another function. It's called deliver word. Now, the repeat function returns the deliver word function. So this function returns another function. Now, the repeat function takes just one parameter n, which is then used by the deliver word function. So it's used here in this nested function. Nested functions have access to enclosing functions. Now, here we have an example where the repeat function is called with the argument for, which means this argument will be also used inside the body of the deliver word function. Now, we assign the returned function to the variable quadruple repeater. From now on, quadruple repeater can be used as the deliver word function because this is what the repeat function returned. It returned the deliver word function. So now quadruple repeater can be used just like the deliver word function. If we pass the word hello, for example, to the quadruple repeater function as the argument, it will repeat it 4 times. This is because it remembers the number 4 which was passed over here and used it here to repeat this string 4 times. So let's run it. And here it is, 4 times. We could also create a septuple repeater, for example, like this. Septuple repeater, repeat with the number 7. Now, the nested function deliver word uses this number 7 to repeat the string 7 times. And from now on, we can use the septuple repeater just as the deliver word function. And if we run the code now, we will get this string repeated 7 times. This topic is closely related to the topic of closures, which I covered in one of my videos, so feel free to watch it. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.